Local shares are rebounding from yesterday's losses after the surprise announcement from President Trump's economic advisor, Gary Cohen's resignation yesterday. Certainly did have an effect on the local market. We were down 1% yesterday. This morning, the ASX 200's up about 0.4% or 25 points. We did see quite a rally late in US trade as well. The Dow Jones still closing a touch lower. However, it certainly was off the lows of the session of overnight. We have seen back home, most sectors are pushing higher this morning. Certainly has been led by the banks. So three of the big four banks higher, CBA leading the way, up about 0.7%. We have seen Westpac flat so far this morning. Healthcare stocks also improving quite a bit. The likes of ResMed up 2.2%. CSL is 1% higher as well. The main weight so far has been coming from the mining sector. So in that mining sector, BHP and South32 are both trading ex-div today, both roughly down about 2%. We also have seen a little bit of weakness in commodities trading overnight as well. In a light day of company news, Northern Star has come out and announced it's purchased a gold field in Western Australia in South Kalgoorlie from Westgold Resources for around $80 million. Its share price is down 0.25%. Suncorp has announced through its New Zealand subsidiary Vero that it's selling its 20% stake in fellow New Zealand insurer Tower Limited for about 54 million New Zealand dollars. It was looking to acquire Tower, the entire company, but was declined by New Zealand regulators. It's actually looking to make about $8.5 million, again New Zealand dollars, from the sale for Suncorp. However, the shares are down about 0.9% this morning. And on the economic front, Australia's trade balance has come through with a $1.05 billion surplus for the month of Jan, significantly higher than what most economists were expecting, with a $160 million surplus. This does come from a revised $1.1 billion deficit in the month of December. Chinese trade data still to come out later today, which may influence the Aussie dollar, which is currently trading around 78.35 US cents.